Class 8th student, it's a part 17 chapter 8 science, and it is the last part of the chapter, in which first we read the real box, then we go for ahead. In real box we read, the people who consume drugs share syringes and the needle with the others. They face the danger of getting infected. Means the persons who consume the drug with the help of needles or the syringes, they facing a danger of getting infected. Means they may infected with the HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus, which cause the disease of AIDS. AIDS full form is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. In this disease, the immune system will getting very weak and people don't able to fight with the diseases. The virus get transmitted from infected person to the healthy person. AIDS can also be spread by sexual contact with an infected person, from infected mother to a infected mother to a child during the pregnancy, and it also be spread with the blood transfusion. Means the blood, when the blood of a person which is infected by the AIDS is transfusion to the other healthy one or the needy persons, then it also affected by the same disease. Now, why do adolescents indulge in drug abuse? Means what is the reason why these people which is in the adolescence stage, or you can say at the stage of puberty, why they are indulging in the drug abusing, why they are start to take on drug? So there will be some reasons. Due to peer pressure. Peer means the same group or the same class students, means the student of the same age, your friends, your colleagues. Okay, so due to peer pressure, seeing people around them, means first reason is by the pressure of their age group children's. Okay, by the pressure of their age group children's, their friends, their colleagues. Or second, by seeing the people around them, they see some pupils are around them or in their surrounding using smoking and drinking alcohol. Or due to influence of popular media, means sometime they are also seeing the TV or the media, and through the net searching. Okay, so what they see the persons smokes, drink, and this is they're trying to do this. So it is a first reason. And second reason is this: when one craves for excitement, means the person who is in the excitement is unhappy or frustrated. Second thing, if it is not happy and he is frustrated, he is in the anger. A rebel means which is not good, a bad one by nature. Okay, bad one by nature. Or the lack of confidence. Rebels which is bad one, or who showing the nature which is opposite to other. Rebel, like those people, if all are saying this is mango but the rebel says this is orange, means he always going opposite to the other ones. So if one having a bad nature or the opposite nature from the others, or one having lack of confidence in oneself, who lose his confidence, he thought I am unable to do anything, I am useless, there is no one to cure me. Or he or she may turn to chemical substance for solace. Means he or she may turn to chemical substance for solace, means a feeling of happiness when you are sad. Means when you are sad, you take in some chemical substance and they feel you that you are now better, you are feeling better from the previous conditions. Okay, so that's why the persons who are in the adolescence age indulging in the drug abusing, means indulge in the drug taking. Drug abuse can cause serious damage, and one must never be tempered to use drug under the false impression that it is cool thing to do. Means it is a serious damage to your body, and one must never, means one person or the anyone everybody who will using these, they need not to think about this, that this is a good habit, and the person who using these drugs, they are feeling that it's a cool, but it is wrong. It's not a good habit. This is not a label of status of living. We thought that he abused in the branded drinking or the branded smoking, so that is not a good thing. It is badly affect our body. If you are tempered or known anyone who is involved in drug abuse, discuss immediately with an adult to trust and feel can help you out. Means if you know anyone who is in your touch, who is in your connection, who use these drugs or abuse, then discuss your adult immediately and keep them in the trust and feel them, then you can help them to outcome from this abusing. Your life is precious. Your life is very precious, not only for you but also for your family and friends. Means you are valuable for your friends and your family. Your life is not just like that you lose it by your mistakes. Always make the healthy choice even if it is difficult. Means maybe it is possible to retain a healthy life, to take healthy, but we always try to keep healthy. Thank you class. Continue in the next part.